Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit check with RBC mobile app. So let's begin. So first of all, just open your RBC mobile app, sign in and click Move Money in the bottom menu. Then from this menu, you need to click Deposit a Check. You can see right here on the picture. And if this is the first time you're using this feature, you will need to acknowledge the legal terms of use. So please read terms and tap on continue. And the next step, guys, once you're on deposit check screen, tap on the camera icon. You can see right here. You may be prompted to allow the RBC mobile app to access your camera, and you need to tap allow. Now let's continue, guys. So for the next step, you will need to rotate your phone horizontally, read the tips on the screen, and when you are ready, tap continue. You can see this on the right side corner. Let's continue. You are now going to take a photo of the front of your check. Follow the prompts on the screen, and when the frame is aligned, the sensors will automatically take the picture. Tap on use photo in the bottom right corner. So there are two options. If it's not visible, you can try again, or if everything is correct, you can click use photo on the right side. Then you need to rotate your phone back to a vertical position and tap on the camera icon in the second box. Now let's continue. Next step, you will need to rotate your phone again, and now you need to take a photo of the back of your check. Again, follow the instruction and click use photo in the bottom right corner. Once you have taken a photo of the back of the check, rotate your phone back to a vertical position and tap on amount. A numeric keypad will appear on your screen, as you can see in the picture. You need to enter the amount of the check and click done. So let's continue. Tap deposit into and a list of your accounts will appear. Tap on the one you want the check to deposit into. Tap continue to review details you entered. So if you want to make some changes, you can click the edit button and you need to repeat the earlier steps, or if everything is correct, you need to click deposit now, guys. And finally, guys, our check has been successfully submitted, and keep in mind that the funds will be deposited into your account right away, but it may take a few days for these funds to become available. And also, guys, keep your check for 5 to 10 business days before destroying it. That's all. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.